Today we have a 2017 Ford Edge SEL, 17,000 miles, clean auto check, balance of factory warranty. Give you a look at it. It does have a nice chrome trimmed grille with the silver insert. Has the high definition headlights along with the LED parking / fog lights below. It does have the split 5-spoke alloy wheels, and you have Michelin rubber on there. They are an 18-inch tire and wheel. That's it. The wheels are around 3/4 tread. Mirrors do have the nice integrated signals, and they are heated mirrors, passenger and driver. If you look at the interior, you will see it is black on black. You have your black cloth split seats. You do have a power seat on the driver and passenger side. It does have some nice brushed aluminum trim and the nice black plastic trim pieces inside. Another neat thing they did with these, they did put the 12-volt power source right there on the passenger side of the center console. They are rather roomy in the back. You do have 12-volt power source back there also, in case you need to plug in your devices. And if you need more room to haul anything, those seats do fold down flat like that with the pull of that lever. And rear tires, pretty much the same as the front. And you will see, like I mentioned, it is the SEL model, all-wheel drive. It does have nice chrome tipped dual exhaust pipes. Has the backup sensors on the bumper. Has the rear defrost and wiper, and your satellite radio fan up there. And I lift this hatch. You will see the backup camera, which is mounted right there. Pretty roomy in the cargo trunk area, hatch area. There's some nice cubby holes, as you can see, in the sides where you can store things. It does have the power rear seats where you can fold them down from back here, along with a 12-volt power source. And if you flip up the floor panel, you do have cargo area back here to store things. You do have your spare tire. Jack and all your tools are mounted under that tire. You just zip that wing nut off and everything's down underneath that. And the tires and wheels on this side are the same. They are all clean. There's scuffs on them, no curb rash or anything. Center console does fold down for an armrest and cup holders. Does have keyless entry on the driver's door. Give you a little look at the interior here. You have your power windows, power mirrors, and locks, all on the driver's door. Just inside you have your dimmer switch for your interior lighting and your headlights, and your controls for your power driver's seat. On your steering wheel, you have your display settings for your odometer, all your light it up here, give you a little look. You will see the mileage is 17,647. And as I push this button, it scrolls you through all of your fuel economy settings, trip settings, driver assist, fuel economy, all those things. They're all controlled with this button right here. Under that, you have cruise control. You have your audio controls and telephone, voice activation, and passenger and driver side airbag. Does have the push button start. AM, FM, CD, satellite radio, has a Sirius satellite. Audio settings, heating and air conditioning controls, your driver and passenger heated seating controls. You have a storage space in this little cubby here with a USB power port inside that. It does have the electronic e-brake, automatic transmission selector, dual cup holders, there's a split center console. The top tray is pretty shallow, and then you have a nice deep storage underneath that one. It does have an additional 12-volt power source inside. I had mentioned it is black on black interior. It does have the tan roof, just so you don't get too much of one color inside. I'll go ahead and start the engine up and give you a look out there. And as you see, it's also nice and clean under the engine bay. As for engine, you get a 3.5 liter V6 paired with the automatic 6-speed transmission. Of course, this engine does have the intercooled turbo. Pretty amazing little motor. You can hear it's a very quiet running engine. And you expect to get around 24 miles per gallon on the highway, around 17 or so in town, city driving conditions. Depends on your driving habits, of course. One last thing we are going to do is walk you around, and if we can find any blemishes on here, we're going to point them out to you. Try to be real upfront about that stuff, so if you guys are interested in coming out to take a look, if you watch this video, you'll pretty much know everything there is to know about this vehicle before you even come out. Back bumper has a couple little scratches on it. They have been all touched up. It's a pretty common thing for these SUVs, people loading and unloading things out of the back. There's a small ding right here on the driver's side front fender. Put my finger there to give you an idea. Probably the size of a pea, maybe. And just a little scrape down here low on the bumper, down by that parking light. Other than that, it's actually a real nice clean Ford Edge. If you're interested in coming out and taking a test drive, maybe just take a look at it. You can give us a call here. Our number is 717-485-4224. Or you can look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com.